friends! It's time to learn about big bulldozers at work. Wow, look at this amazing construction site. Do you see that big yellow machine coming our way? That's a bulldozer. Bulldozers are super strong construction vehicles that help build things. Look at that big blade. The bulldozer is using its giant front blade to scoop and push huge piles of dirt. That's what bulldozers do best. They move earth and make way for new buildings and roads. See how powerful it is? The blade can push forward tons and tons of dirt. Isn't that amazing? It's making the ground smooth. After the bulldozer pushes all that dirt around, it can flatten everything out. This is super important when construction workers need a nice, level surface to build on. The bulldozer drives back and forth, making everything flat and smooth. That's how we get ready to build new things. Strong and powerful. Look at the bulldozer moving those giant rocks. Whoa, those rocks are so heavy, but the bulldozer can push them like they're nothing. That's because bulldozers have powerful engines and special tracks instead of wheels that help them grip the ground and push super heavy things. So many parts. Let's take a closer look. A bulldozer has lots of important parts that help it work. See those tracks on the bottom? They help the bulldozer move over rough ground without getting stuck. And look at the driver's cabin. That's where the construction worker sits to control the bulldozer. The big blade in front is called a dozer blade. That's how it got its name. Wow, we learned so much about bulldozers today. Aren't they amazing machines? If you want to see more awesome construction vehicles like excavators, dump trucks, and cement mixers, make sure to subscribe for more big machines. Thanks for exploring bulldozers with me today. Bye-bye.